have. Look at that, guys. We have 99,999,000 Microsoft Rewards points. Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited Microsoft Rewards points for completely free, guys. You're going to be able to get Microsoft Rewards points super fast. This is the easiest way to do this, and you're going to be able to get over 5 million, guys, in a couple of minutes by doing this method. And I'm going to show you guys proof that this is real and not fake. So let's go ahead into the Microsoft website. As you guys can see, I am on the Microsoft website right now on Google Chrome. And let me just show you guys how insane this is. So as you can see right now, I have 0 points, but you guys are going to see that I'm going to activate this glitch that's going to give me unlimited points. And let's go ahead and actually activate the glitch with this VPN right here that I'll show you guys how to get later in the video. But let's just go ahead and switch it on. And when you guys do get it, to actually activate the glitch, you just connect to any of the American servers. Any of the American servers will be fine. I'm going to go ahead and connect to the New York City 2 server. We're going to go ahead and click switch on. And as you guys can see, it is switching it on right now. And now we are connected to the VPN, so now the glitch should be activated. Let's go back into Google Chrome where we have Microsoft opened, and look at that, guys. Microsoft developer detected. Unlimited points have been added to your account. Thanks for being a developer. As you guys can see, it detected us as a developer, and now let's go ahead and see what happens to our Microsoft points, like how much we have. Look at that, guys. We have 99,999,000 Microsoft Rewards points, which in translation is like so much points. Like, you would be able to get so much Robux for free or whatever else rewards you want. And realistically, if we wanted to get this with actual grinding and actually doing tasks on Microsoft Rewards, that would take legit so many years. It's not even funny. Probably more than 10 years to get that much. That would be 10,000 points a day for 9,000 days. That's insane. Anyways, guys, I'm going to show you now how to actually get this VPN so you guys could do this glitch as well and get unlimited Microsoft Rewards points, because you do need this glitch VPN. So I have to show you guys how to get this VPN so you guys could do this glitch as well on your iPhone or Android, or you could do it on a computer. You could run the VPN on a computer. Anyways, what we have to do, guys, is very simple. Open up your settings. Open up your browser on your phone, computer, whatever you want to get this on, and you're going to go to YuluVPN.com. So we have to type in YULUVPN.com, and then once it loads, it's going to take us to a site that I'll show you guys. So it's going to look like this. Explore the worldwide with YuluVPN. So this is the site that we have to go on over to, guys. And once we're here, it's very, very simple to go ahead and get our VPN. So you're going to go ahead and click the 3 lines in the top, and you're going to see this option that says pricing on the list. Go ahead and click it, and you're going to see it says $3.99 a month. That is the monthly package that we want to get. Now you guys might be thinking, oh, this method costs money. Well, not actually, because if we go into Cash App, it also gives you free money. Let me just show you guys. Look at that, Cash App developer detected. And look, we just got $200 for completely free by using this glitched VPN as well. So you get free money in Cash App and PayPal with it. Now, to actually go ahead and get the VPN is simple. So you find it here, and then you go ahead and click get monthly package, and then it's going to load us to the next page, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. So you see where it says purchase package? Go ahead and click that. Sometimes you have to click it more than once for it to process or register. And then it's going to take us to this page right here, and what we have to do is very simple, guys. So as you can see, there's a couple of ways to check out. We have credit card, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. Those are the ways to check out. Now, what you guys will do is go ahead and enter your name, enter your country, your address you don't have to enter, phone number you would have to enter, and then email address. Make sure you guys remember it, account username and password. Make sure you guys remember those, super, super important. And then once you go ahead and fill everything out and you enter in your credit card or Google Pay or Apple Pay, you click the send button. And then once you guys do that, I'm gonna show you guys what will happen next. But you're gonna get to a page like this. After you place your order, it's gonna say order received, and it's gonna show you a page like this that's gonna say your VPN account username is, your VPN account password is, and you will see this page. And then, guys, we will go ahead and you will see this option that says your account. And also make sure you guys remember the username and password they give you. That's gonna be how you sign into your VPN later on after you guys get it. But yeah, you're going to see this your account button, and you're going to click it, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to see downloads. Okay, you're going to see this button that says downloads, and we're going to go ahead and just when you click it, it's going to take you to this page, and you're going to see a bunch of options here, and you're going to want to select download via iTunes Store if you're on iPhone. If you're on Android, you're going to click download via Google Play, and then if you're on Windows computer, you click download Windows app in the top there, and then Apple, you click download Mac app. And then once you guys select the device that you want to download it to, it's going to download it. If you're on iPhone, it will download it to your phone with the App Store. But yeah, for example, like here, and then when you enter in your details, you click the settings button in the bottom, and then you go ahead and enter your details, so your email, or I mean the username and password they gave you after you signed up. So it's very crucial that you remember it and screenshot it. That way you know how to log in. And then once you log in, you select one of the American servers, you open up Microsoft Rewards, and boom, you should see a bunch of points added to your account instantly, guys. So that's how easy this is to do. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.